So what is this crab out the bucket? Crab out the bucket is a mentality. I was that person that used to blame people for my situations, who always played the victim card, who stayed complacent, being around the people that was very toxic, being around an environment that was very toxic. We didn't learn about financial education. We didn't know about billionaires and millionaires and all these other different people. When I broke out of those habits, when I broke out of those situations, I thought to myself, I want to be able to teach and educate individuals like yourself to not make those same mistakes I made so you can get ahead in life quicker. I've had the opportunity to meet individuals like Tai Lopez, people like Anik Segal, who's a mentee of Robert Kiyosaki. And I would have never gotten to that situation if I would have never got out of those past mistakes and learned from them and was able to grow. If you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. Go ahead and smash the notification bell so you know whenever I'm coming out with more quality videos. I want to be able to use my past mistakes and my old habits to educate and give you advice so you don't make the same ones. Enjoy.